A paper vase. I made it out of newspaper, my rough note paper and some tissue paper. I painted it and then first I kept a balloon, then I kept the papers. So then I took newspaper, I made it into string and then I rolled it and made it into an O shape. And I stuck it here with Fevicol. And then I painted it red color. And then inside here I kept some newspaper and sponge so I can make the flower stand. Thank you.
So, good morning, good evening. I'm going to present my lamp which is made out of waste and the theme is best out of waste. So this is made out of delivering boxes. This is the newspaper rolls painted and this is a bulb. This is a bamboo which food was served. You get it in restaurants, and these are again paper rolls, and this is and you can on it. It glows like this, and this is a lamp. This is a delivering box. These are newspapers, and these are hanging newspaper rolls which are painted, and this is a bamboo served food which is washed and kept. These are paper rolls, and this is a bulb which glows. So this is a robot made of old shoe boxes. This is tissue paper roll, and these are cups. And behind there's a storage room, and here also there's a storage room. And here you can store pens and pencils. This is the head. I did this with whitener and permanent marker, and this one with white paint, and the dots are here to represent the speaker of the mouth.
This is our old CDs. I cut them into half, and these are beads. I stick them, and I cut a paper into I shape, and this is a bindu, and this board is a MDF board. I made this with the help. I made this with coconut shell, and this is a cardboard soap box. I painted it and sticked it. These are the pistachios. I made this with pistachios, and I painted it. This is a paper cup. Thank you. I made a flower vase. I put a paper glass inside, and I rolled the newspapers and stick it up here. And I made a help of flower with toothpaste, and I just clean it, and I made a flower, and I made a quilling paper up here with a leaf. Thank you. This is dream catcher, and this is made up of gas stoves, one black color one. And this is newspaper, waste newspaper, and these are stones, and this a flower pot, and this key holder. This is made up of cardboard. That's all. I made these with CDs, and my mother helped me made it. I put a blue, yellow, and red steps, and I made the mouse with paint. I put in the googly eyes. My mother helped me to cut these. I colored it. I wrote my name and my flat number. My mother helped me to make this temple. I paint. My mother put this wrapper, and my mother put this Ganesha and make this step. I made the Ganesha. I written my name and my I and my mother made this thing. This smiley is sleeping. This smiley is taking the tongue out. This smiley is happy. This smiley is sleeping and taking the tongue out. And this smiley is happy. हो गया.